Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to reset your Peacock TV pin. If you want to reset your profile pin on Peacock TV, then the process is quite easy. First of all, open up a web browser of your choice. Type in peacocktv.com in the URL box at the top and search. Make sure that you're logged into your Peacock TV account. And once you reach to the main home page, go ahead and click on your profile avatar at the top right hand corner. Select a profile that you want to reset your pin on, and after selecting the profile, you will be prompted to enter your profile pin code. If you've forgotten your pin code, simply get back and then from your profile avatar, click on the little pencil icon. After clicking on the pencil icon, scroll down and click on Reset right next to profile pin. Enter your account's password in order to get to the next page and click Confirm. Now, create a pin under Profile Pin, change to a new pin of your choice, re-enter the pin code once again and click on Save Pin. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change to a different profile pin, and that way you can reset your pin if you've forgotten it on Peacock TV. Next time you try to open up your profile, you'll need to enter the newly created pin. So that's how it's quickly and easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.